Hey everyone, if you want to cook like a pro, you need the right tools. We're going over 50 kitchen essentials, the basic tools every cook needs. Think you can handle it? Let's go. A good plate is like your painting canvas. Choose a good one. From soups to salads, you need a good bowl. Come on, use the right cup. It's not hard. Chapter 4, glasses. For water, wine, or whatever you need. At least you'll have the right glass when you mess up this recipe. Chapter 5, forks. They're not just for stabbing food when you're mad, although we've all been there. Learn to use them right. Chapter 6, knives. These aren't just for show. A sharp knife is a safe knife and a chef's best friend. Chapter 7, spoons. From stirring to serving, spoons are the kitchen heroes no one talks about. Chapter 8, spatulas. Don't leave any sauce in the pan. Use a spatula. Chapter 9, whisks. Get ready for an arm workout. No lumps allowed. Seriously, it's easy. Open the can. Use different ones for meat and veggies, please. Be precise. Measure correctly just this once. Chapter 13. Measuring spoons. Don't just guess the amount, especially with the salt. Chapter 14. Mixing bowl. Bigger is better, especially since you'll make a mess. Chapter 15. Baking sheet. Cookies, veggies, even mistakes, this can handle it. Chapter 16, cake pan. No soggy bottoms. This is where the magic happens. Chapter 17, muffin tin. For muffins, cupcakes, or little egg dishes. So many things you can make. Chapter 18, colander. Don't pour pasta down the sink. Use a colander. Chapter 19, peeler. Peel those potatoes, and carrots, and apples. No excuses. Chapter 20, grater. Grate cheese and veggies. Be careful with your fingers. Kitchen towels. Clean up your mess. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Get to work. Burns are bad, trust me. Seriously, protect your hands. Scrub those dishes. Grease doesn't disappear on its own. Chapter 25. Sponges. Use them, clean them, and change them often. Scouring pads for serious scrubbing. Don't use them on non-stick pans. Chapter 27. Aluminum foil. For leftovers or saving your cooking mistakes. It's a lifesaver. Plastic wrap keeps food fresh. It's important. Ziploc bags. Great for organizing and freezing. Get different sizes, label them, and you'll be happy. Wooden spoons. Safe for your pans. Use them for stirring and tasting. Silicone spatulas. Good for high heat and lots of uses. Great for baking. Ladle. For serving soups and stews. Try not to spill. Slotted spoon. Good for getting dumplings and veggies out of pots. Garlic press. Fresh garlic is the best. Use lots of it. Lemon squeezer. Don't squeeze lemons by hand. Cheese grater. Freshly grated cheese is better. Trust me. Salt shaker. Seasoning is important, but don't use too much. Pepper mill. Fresh pepper is better than the pre-ground stuff. Coffee mugs. Get a mug you love and fill it with coffee. Tea infuser. Loose leaf tea is the best. Have some good tea. Water kettle. For tea, coffee, and late-night snacks. You'll hear it whistle when it's ready. Toaster, for toast and bagels. Don't put anything weird in there. Blender, for smoothies, soups, and sauces. A good blender is important. Mixer, for baking cakes and cookies. It's a baker's best friend. Food processor, saves time chopping and slicing. Slow cooker, great for stews and chili. Pressure cooker, cooks food quickly, don't be scared to use it. Dutch oven, use it on the stove or in the oven. Wok for stir fries. Skillet, for cooking almost anything. Okay, those are your 50 kitchen essentials. No more excuses for bad cooking. Get in the kitchen and get cooking. Don't burn dinner. Subscribe to my channel and